Hello everyone. There is the Deepseek model that is outshining every other model in the market now, right now. So we are going to see that how we can use that. So first, there will be link in the description. Just go and click on that link. You'll be going to this page. Here you can just click on the start now, and you have to log in. And after login, you will be getting on this page. So basically, the first thing is that this search is using the DeepSeek version 3. And then if you will click this, then this will be using the DeepThink R1. I am going to tell you that what is this thing, and this button is actually for the web search. Okay, now let's ask a very simple question. Okay, that who is the president of US? Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see here there is the last update October 2023. The president of the United States is Joe Biden. Okay, if you will be clicking on the search, then it will be utilizing the Google search or like any other search to search the web, and then you can see here. Yes. So now it is the Donald Trump. Okay. Now, now we are going to use the deep thing that is most the hype model right now in the market. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to ask a coding question. Okay. So first, I'm just going to ask like write the code for making AI model for image classification. Okay. It will be classifying the image with the code. So it will be giving the code on the cipher 10 data set. Okay, so it's very quite seamless. Okay, no need to think so much. Okay, so this is on the coding question. Now let's ask it a math question, a sort of puzzle question, not very much math question, but you can see here. I'm just going to start the deep thing. Okay, and just see how it is thinking. It will be thinking in the steps, chain of the thoughts, like one thought, second thought, third thought, as like that. Okay. So it is taking some of the time because of course there are server load, because a lot of people are using it. You can also use it. After this video, definitely use this deep think model. Okay, maybe it is taking some time, so I will be using this. I hope it works. We have to, like DeepSeek has really second the market. Nvidia stocks has really crashed, and it got lowered in a significant point. Okay, server is busy. Please try again later. Okay. But it can't be like that. Okay. Yes. Okay, now it's fine. Yeah, there are a lot of server loads, so you can see how it is thinking in the steps. Okay, so user is telling this, then first I have to do this, then what is given this, so this type of thing. Okay, so it is thinking in steps, and this is really amazing. Okay, let's see. The answer is 40320. Okay, let's see. 40320. Yes, that's the correct answer. Yeah, so that was the thing. Now what we are going to do, we are going to see say it, write email. That is quite a simple use case. For deleting my DeepSeek account. Let's see what it will be doing. Okay, it will be thinking. It is taking some time in thinking right now because of the server loads. But yeah, maybe in some upcoming days they will be getting more funded, and they will be increasing their servers. Yeah. So we'll be also uploading the images, and we'll be seeing that how it is going to respond. Okay, so let it think. We are going to now we are going to upload any image. Okay, I'm just going to upload this image, and let's see how it is going to respond. What is this image, and what it wants to show? What it is showing. Okay, so this is how you can use. There are a lot of productivity things you can do. Okay, okay, I have to do it again because okay, now it is thinking. Okay, you can see here now it is thinking. So yeah, image is this. I have to just show you. Now they have taken the window as well. So, it is literally thinking in the chain of thoughts. So you can see here the image appears to be presentation, slide, conceptual related to the Deepseek R1 project and something like that. Okay, yeah. So that's very interesting because it can be handling your images. You can put any image of the mathematics or your task, your assignment, anything, and you can just get it to solve it. Okay, you can see here it is also thinking that how to write the mail and all. Now let's do the both Google search and the deep think. Okay, so it is not exactly the Google search. I'm telling it because of my habit of Google searching. Okay, so let's ask it that what are the AI news in this uh, nowadays? Okay, and let's see. Okay, so first it is thinking. It is also searching for the results. You can see here how it is searching for other results from many of the websites from CNN, New York Times, OpenAI community forums, and all. And it is now thinking as well. Okay, so it will be thinking. It will be giving us the whole information. You can see like DeepSeek shakes the global AI market with cost-effective models. Yes, and they are open source as well. So I hope you got an idea that how the models are working and how you can use, and this is the email as well. Okay, so that's really amazing thing. You can use it anywhere, and its context window is quite large. If you'll be putting a lot of text into it, it will be not denying like chat gpt. So that is a good part. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, share to the friend who will be excited to learn that okay how to use the deepseek and all. And thank you so much. If you have any query, then ask in the comments. And there are two videos that why the deepseek is better than chat gpt. It will be on a screen. Just watch that and see you in the next video, guys.